Epoch TV welcomes you to Gbagyi People, Arts and Culture. Gbagyi People, Arts and Culture is designed to document the people of Gbagyi of the Federal Capital Territory. North Culture is located within the North Central, and Abuja, being a unit of North Culture, you cannot have a meaningful discussion about Abuja or if you don't do a research that will document the authorship, the history of their culture. So now, in this program, we've decided to do a total documentary of Gbagyi people and culture. The first degree project was on the visual art of Gbagyi, a study of form, function, and typology, where I delved into the discussion of art and culture of Gbagyi people. In this documentary, we are going to see the beautiful, cultural heritage of Gbagyi people.